Bedazzling and Rhinestones are making a comeback. I've already lived through this once in the 80s, but it wasn't nearly this easy and it wasn't nearly this much fun. The Redtwo Bedazzling kit, and I want to thank Redtwo for sending me this fabulous 40,000 piece kit so I could try it out. I started with just a simple item that was on my desk, my little monitor. I blinged it out a little bit and then I got a little creative and I decided that I wanted to go ahead and do my Nana baseball cap, and I got started on that. I've now gotten the letters done and I'm going to start doing the bill of it next. One of the things that I found is that this is very relaxing for me to do at night at the end of my day, and I'm really enjoying making it, and I look forward to blinging out lots of things around my home. There's 40,000 rhinestones, 4 bottles of the jewelry glue, and all the tools you need in this kit to get started. This would make a great starter kit for somebody. It would make a great gift for somebody. 40,000 rhinestones sounds excessive until you actually start a project and realize that rhinestones have a way of disappearing faster than you expect. Between the ones you use, the ones that roll off the table, and the ones that the floor claims permanently, having a generous supply is not only extra, it's necessary. I really like the 3mm multicolor flatback resin jelly rhinestones from Redtwo. They work on clothes, shoes, phone cases, books, makeup bags, and basically any surface you want to put them on. The B7000 glue that comes included is very good adhesive, not an afterthought, which matters because the glue is what makes the difference between rhinestones that stay and rhinestones that end up on the floor 3 days later. Everything in this one box means you open it and can start immediately. No supply run, no research about which glue to use, no separate tool order, just 40,000 rhinestones, you, and a world of possibilities. I'm really enjoying this kit, and I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching.